I'm giving you 90s realness, all the vibes. Get into it. And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and welcome back. So today's video, as you guys can already tell from the title, is going to be a fall inspired makeup look. It's basically a makeup tutorial, and yeah, I'm giving you guys, as you guys can see, I'm giving you guys volume, I'm giving you cute, I'm giving you lush, I'm giving you glamorous, I'm giving you everything. So get into it. And yeah, also before I forget, guys, my giveaway for when I get to 100 subscribers is still on. I'm not taking it back. So if you guys want to be a part of it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like my videos, make sure you tell your friend, and then we can get to that. I don't really want to make this intro so long, so let's get to the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so we're up close and personal. Now I'm just blending in my concealer using my blending brush. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to blend all over my lid. And I'm just going in trying to make sure it's smooth and well blended. And when that's right, I move to my second lid. I like to conceal my brows right after the other, same way I apply my eyeshadow. So now I'm just making sure that everything is well blended. Then once I'm fine with that, I go in and I also blend with my blending sponge. This is my Nuban Beauty blending sponge. I'm using that to make sure that everything is even more seamless and well blended. Yep, it's looking good. For the eyes, the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild 760, not a basic peach. Guys, I got this from 2 for 11. You guys know the store where I get all my products from. Taking this NY26 brush from Nuban Beauty, I'm just pushing in that transition color and I'm now applying that directly onto my eyelid. Guys, you can see I'm using pushing motions. I'm pushing it down to my eyelid just so that I get most of the products. Guys, this color is kind of like a brown color and it's written transition on it, so it's very good for applying on your transition area. Now I'm just going in swirling motions, trying to blend that even more, blend that out even more. And you guys can see I am pushing it down, then I'm swirling it around to get a very even blend. I find that this method helps to blend it a whole lot better, guys. And if I tell you, the color payout of this palette is crazy, it's bomb. It shows up really nicely, like it's just great, guys. It's just great. Now I'm going to be taking a much different brush. This has a much more tapered angle, so this will really get into the corners. And I'm taking the warm color from the palette and I'm just using that to buff out the color that I just applied, using that to just blend it out and make it look even more blended and natural. And as you can see, I'm also going in swirling motions. You guys, I already told you the color payout of this palette is bomb, so definitely you're seeing the colors showing up as I apply them. It's just wow, like you guys need to get this palette, and it's also very affordable. I got it, I've been using it and I can't complain. I have no complaints. I really love it. If you can get your hands on it, I would advise you do that because it has so many colors you can play with, and it has really warm colors that are black girl friendly, that matches our skin tone and really show up. So yeah, if you want, you can get this. So I'm just blending this in, as you guys can see, trying to really wash off the darkness and just make everything look like a bright baby blend. Yeah, the color payout is dope, I'm saying it. Now I'm using a whole different brush. This one has a flatter angle and it's going to really get into my lid. And this brush is actually really good for picking up shimmer eyeshadows because it collects the product onto the bristles. So now I'm just applying that directly on my lid. Basically, you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just applying that onto my lid, and guys, just look at this. Like, this palette is a dream. I wish I knew about this palette a long time ago. Probably when I was in uni, I would have finessed like the looks, and the quality of the product is just, it's spot on, guys. Really, I'm gassed about this. It's like a discovery for me, so that's why I'm gassed, and I'm telling you guys, go get this palette from Wet n Wild. So now I'm still blending that in. Blend. I'm going back with that warm color, this orange like, and I'm using that to blend my outer V and sort of dragging that out, because I want to have like a very soft look towards the outer part of my eyes, and I want to have more of the orange color right beside the color I applied before, kind of like just taking the second half of my lid, and I'm just applying that color right in, and I'm blending. If you can blend, then eyeshadow is your friend. I heard this in Megan Thee Stallion's video, but if you can blend, then eyeshadow is your friend, period. Oh, this looks so great, guys. Oh, now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Filt'r Soft Matte Foundation in the color 420, and I'm just using roughly 3 to 4 pumps, and I'm also using my beauty blender, and I'm just applying that all over my face. Guys, you see that Fenty skin? Nah, this is Fenty skin, guys. And I'm just going around my face, making sure I get all and every single corner. And guys, if I tell you, like, there's something I said earlier, this foundation is high coverage, it's high tech, guys. Like, it's full coverage. It covers, I just used like 4 pumps. I'm putting that around my face, and the coverage at the end is like, it's high tech, it's high definition. Now I'm going in with my full spectrum bronzer from CoverGirl. Guys, I like this bronzer a lot. This is in the shade Ebony. I've been using it for some time now. If you watch my previous videos, I've been using this for some time now, and I've been loving it. It gives me a very nice rich warmth to my face, and I'm using the shade Ebony. Also blending that out with my contour brush from Nuban Beauty. This is in number NF12. Just blending that all over my face. It blends very nicely with my color match and my skin tone. Basically, I love the bronzer, so I've been using it for some time. I'm looking to get the Fenty Beauty bronzers, guys. I've heard so much. I can't wait to get them and try it out. So I'm just blending that around my face, so my cheekbones, also my chin, my forehead. You guys already know how I do it. And I get this more precise brush, NY27 from Nuban Beauty, and I just use that just to contour and define my nose a little bit more, giving it that pointy effect. You guys already know how I do all these things. Now when that's all set, I go in with my setting powder. I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey, and I just use that to set my highlighter, just putting everything in place, making sure there are no creases, and just blending it down. You guys already know how I do my foundation routine. If you want a more in-depth video on that, then I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can watch how I do it. Also guys, I've taken a likeness to using this Coty Airspun setting powder right under my eyes just to brighten. I use this to brighten areas that I've already highlighted, and guys, I've been liking it recently. Now I'm just going to go back in with that warm color, and I'm applying to my lower lid, blending it out with the taper brush that I showed you guys from earlier. Just going back in with the same color until it begins to show. I'm going to use that as a hue for underneath my eyes. Now I'm doing the same thing onto the other eyes, just going back in with that same warm color, applying it underneath using the taper brush I'm blending that into the eyeshadow. As you guys can see, we're going for a fall look, we're going for fall, we're going for warmth, we're going for texture. And as you guys can see, that's what this palette is giving you, that's what this palette has to offer you. Now I'm going to be using this much more angled brush. It's an eyeshadow brush, but it has a flat angle, a flat head and a flat angle to it. So I use this and I did that into the brown color in the palette, and I'm just applying that a little slightly above where I applied the other eyeshadow on my lid, very close to my waterline, and I'm just blending that out. And I'm going back and forth for where I need more product, but I'm just applying that, then I do the same thing onto my second eyes, and this is just going to bring the look together and add some extra warmth to the eyes, to the under eyes, bringing the look together, guys. Then I go back again with my same type of brush, and I just use that to buff everything out and blend it so there won't be any harsh lines, and everything just looks blended and melted and warm and beautiful and fall. Guys, I love this eyeshadow look. I know I lean towards a lot of simple looks and everything, but that's just my style. I really love it. I love to finesse it every single time, and I'm really loving this color for fall, guys. This is everything. Now I'm going in with my eyeliner from Wet n Wild. Guys, you already see me apply eyeliner so many times, so I'm just going to do that off camera. That is a battle that you take home with your maker. I keep saying this, guys. So now I'm back and I'm just going into my waterline with my brown eye pencil. I'm just using that to line the area, just to really darken it and make my eyes pop a lot more, just like give a definition to my eyes. My eyes look much more defined now, as you can see. Then I'm going on with mascara. This mascara is from Zaron. I'm just applying that to my lower lash. This is said to be their volumizing mascara, so it's to give volumes to my lower lash. And guys, yeah, I guess this is the finished look. I finished off the rest of my look off camera, but I'm back to show you guys what it all looks like. Like I said, I've done this routine so many times, so if you want a much more detailed video on how I achieve the rest of my full face, I'll leave a link in the description box below. But guys, this is the finished look. Like, it's giving me jazz, it's giving me shoulders, it's giving me warmth, like it's giving me beauty, it's giving me sass, guys. It's giving me everything. I love this. The hair, the eyes matching with the hair, the lips, guys. I'm strutting now, strutting my shoulders, showing you guys what I got for you. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Love you guys. Bye.